Now, I need your full attention here. A revolutionary thing strives hard to reach your ear. A new side of the universe struggles to come to light, for no fact is so simple we believe it at first sight. And there is nothing that exists so great or marvelous that over time mankind does not admire it less and less. Behold the pure blue of the heavens and all that they possess, the roving stars, the moon, the sun's light, brilliant and sublime. Imagine if these were shown to men now for the first time, suddenly and with no warning. What could be declared more wondrous than these miracles no one before had dared believe could even exist? Nothing could be quite as remarkable as this. So wonderful would be the sight. Now, however, people hardly bother to lift their eyes to the glittering heavens. They are so accustomed to the skies. The mind seeks explanation, since the universe extends forever out beyond those ramparts at which our world ends. The mind forever yearns to peer into infinity, to project beyond and outside of itself, and there soar free.